If devices could talk. Hello everyone, I'm the Boyee Industrial SW Universal Nano Grinding Mill, designed specifically to address production challenges in ink and coating manufacturing. Struggling with uneven pigment dispersion and poor color saturation, my turbine rotor grinds agglomerated pigments down to submicron levels, ensuring a narrow and uniform particle size distribution. This guarantees pure color tones with excellent batch-to-batch consistency. Is your resin system too viscous, causing frequent clogging and downtime? My pin-type rotor is here for that. Its high shear force effortlessly handled high-viscosity materials. Combined with a dynamic clearance design, it eliminates dead zones and sediment buildup, ensuring stable, continuous grinding even under demanding conditions. Frequent discharge blockages slowing down production efficiency? We've customized a high-efficiency, anti-clogging discharge system for you. The upgraded large-channel filter screen directly boosts flow efficiency. 3 discharge options adapt to diverse operating conditions. Even with high solid zincs, it achieves stable, resistance-free continuous discharge. Choosing us means selecting a reliable expert in solving guiding challenges for inks and coatings.